going on, guys? Today in this video we are going to be installing an LED kit on the MAZDASPEED. We just have the OEM lights currently. As you can see, they're like this yellow. So we're gonna swap it out with something that's more of a white. I think Torque Sport sells a kit. I'll link the one that I bought. This one's off Amazon. It comes with a little tool. So we'll probably end up using that just to pop the lenses off. And then I believe it's the interior lights and then also the license plate lights as well. I wanna say I got this for like $20 or $18 or something like that. So we'll see how good these are. Made in China, right on the package. All right, so normally I'm not one for instructions, but I just needed to see which lights were which. It looks like the map and dome light are exactly the same. Vanity mirror, I have no idea what that is even for. I'm not really sure. Glove box, license plate, and trunk, which we'll probably do the trunk, license plate, and then the map and dome lights. But yeah, instructions actually seem fairly decent. This is the brand, Bright Shine, I guess. So yeah, let's get to it. Exactly sure how these come out. Definitely don't want to break them. There we go. Okay, so you just literally stick it in here. I'll show you. I literally just stuck the tip like this and it popped right out. So yeah, let's replace it. It looks like there's just this little clip. I believe you just push this over and it should pop out. Holy shit, that's hot. Might grab some gloves because the lights were on. So let me actually go ahead and turn these off because that clip is mighty hot. All right, so all you want to do is take this little top tab, if you can see it here, and this pulls back and then it'll fall out, and then you just kind of gotta finagle the new one in there. But it's in, and well, that's the new. It's quite bright. It looks a little bit more yellow on camera than it does white, but if we compare them, new, yeah, that's kind of more how it looks. A little bit more bluish white, and the old. So let's pop this one off and swap it out as well. Just like that, swapped out. Much brighter than the old ones. We're gonna do that middle one right there. So I guess that's a dome light and these are map lights, so yeah. To get this cover off, again, you simply just place trim popper like I have. I literally just put it just barely in here and it came right out. The new LED's in, it's just pressure fit in there, so just take your finger and pop it out, but that's what it looks like now. So now we're gonna do the trunk light. It's got a little switch here, that's what it looks like, and we're gonna swap it out. There we go, pop it out. You know what? I just unhooked it, so now it'll be easier for me to hopefully pop it out. All right, I'll try to show you kind of what it looks like. This needs to be depressed, but they should have flipped this clip around. I don't know why they didn't, but they didn't. So we're gonna go in here with a pick and just see if we can't pry it back enough to then pop it out. Let's see. Grab it. There we go. Did stab myself, but never working on cars without a little blood, right? All right, so now we're gonna pop the new one in. I just used the pick from Harbor Freight. Cheap and easy. We got the new LED in there. Want to make sure it's facing the correct way. We'll go ahead here, grab the plug, give this a little plug in, put it right back in place, and there we go. Trunk light is swapped out. Before All right, so for these backlights, what you want to do is take, again, the tip of your little pry tool. So these little black tabs you'll see, you just want to like kind of pry it. You can kind of angle it like that a little bit, and eventually you'll get it to pop out just like that. And actually this side, they broke the clip off, so that's cool. So I guess I just got the one on that side. I assume this just twists out, yep, like that. And then it just pops right out. So here's what the new one looks like, and we're just gonna take it. And I don't think it matters which way it goes. It's just gotta slide on in there. Make sure it works. All right, cool. Before they were that really dingy yellow, and now they're a pretty bright white, which is pretty nice. Helpful tip to get these back in, pull the bumper out just a little bit, like pull on this top part, and it gives you some extra space in between the foam here on the rear crash bar. If you just pull it out a little bit, and then you can slide it back up and then put these clips in. All right, so I just got this off. It's just this one clip. You literally just push up and it comes right off. Then you push up on the arms here and here, and then the whole front half of the glove box will come out. Looks like we got a screw here, it looks like. Yeah, so there's one right here, and then one there, and I'll get back to you when I get those out. All right, so I got to it. It's a little bit scary because there's a couple clips, but once you kind of get to this point, you're in a good spot. What I had to do was, there's a little bottom panel underneath, kind of, if you've ever done the cabin air filter, there's like a little panel. It's just got like two little prongs. You depress them and then it falls right down, easy peasy. There's this little handle down here. You kind of just gotta pull up here, pull here, kind of evenly, and then it'll eventually start to pop out. And now this is what we were looking to get, this light right here. This is what it looks like. It's this orange. Another quick tip to get this out, it's got the one screw like this, and then it has this that just feeds into that little slot there. But it won't let you pop it out unless you take this lens out. So this is just the filter for the light. So you just gotta pop this out first, and then you can slide that right out. You can see, looks a lot better. Just like that, glove box is all put back together. Just kind of take your time with it. It's pretty easy. It's just the opposite of the way that you got it apart. Put it back together, yeah, it's all set. Light is swapped out, looks good. These new ones are super bright. Like, honestly, maybe too bright. So we'll see once I put the lens back on. To get this off, guys, just be careful. I used the pick here, and then I did end up breaking one of the tabs. You can see this top one doesn't have a tab anymore because I broke it, but we got tabs going around like that. I think I broke that middle one too. Yeah. So just be careful. That's gonna be it for the install. I installed the whole kit. I thought it was just the two map lights, and then the dome light, and then the license plate lights. I know that it came with the trunk and the glove box lights as well, so that's pretty cool. I got all those swapped out. Again, I'll put a link down in the description to the lights that I bought. You know, they work for a 2013 MAZDASPEED3. So any second gen MAZDASPEED3 or Mazda 3, I'm sure it'll work. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Good luck with the install. It's not easy. I'd maybe rate it like a 2 out of 10. It's fairly simple. Just take your time with like the little plastic clips and stuff so you don't break anything, and you will be good to go. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.